our eyes while she gives it.
Okay. Zayda, close your eyes.
Wow.
What is this?
It's a painted. I have a paint it yourself.
You got a monkey. I got a frog. So there's paint, a frog, and a paintbrush. You gotta paint it, and I think it's a bank. So there's paintbrush, some paint, and a frog. You can paint it yourself.
I got a monkey
With a banana. I'm gonna open mine. So she got a Vampirina puzzle. It's really cute.
Give me home.
Rena. She calls it Rena.
Rena.
It's a vampire.
Mine. I need the mine.
Go.
I can't chat by you.
Come sit on this table.
Okay.
Here, come over here.
I need some. Oh, Daddy, give me.
I have four colors.
Try. Give me.
No. Okay, now paint the froggy on this side.
Mine is going well.
I wish they give us a bigger tube of paint.
I'm gonna put. There's like this line on the under the monkey's head, and I'm going to paint red until there. It looks a little weird with a red head.
Wait, does it say on the box?
Hmm?
Wait, why are you doing a red head?
I don't know.
I'm doing green because it doesn't.
Well, because yeah, it doesn't. It does brown on the box, but there's no brown.
Is my nose green?
Your nose? Oh. This is a nice product. What are you doing?
Putting blush on
Blush? What do you mean you're putting blush on?
the makeup. You don't know what blush is?
What is blush?
The powder you put on your cheeks.
The yellow's almost done. Like, I only made a little bit with the yellow, and it's almost done. The red is not almost done, and I made like so much with it.
You could use mine.
I'm halfway done. Somewhat.
I wanted to put red paint on the lips, but it turned out looking like lipstick. You had to wait for it to dry, and here it's finished.
Okay, so his name is Mr. Caboodles. His feet are blue. I made them blue, and I made his stomach green, and I made the banana blue. Then I made most of his body red.
Okay, so I have a frog, and I don't really know what to name it. So comment down below what I should name it. And it kind of looks like it has lipstick, so it should be a girl probably.